This is our video on exponents and scientific notation. Our focus is multiplying, so we are going to talk specifically about multiplying. After this lesson, you're going to be able to multiply, and one of the cool things about this is you're also going to be able to divide because they are pretty much the same rules, just a tiny bit different. So let's take a look at some examples. Presumably you've watched 2 videos already, so we're in the practice mode time. So I'm going to start, I'll pick green because I like that. So let's suppose we have 14 to the 23rd times 14 to the 6th. We'll call this example 1. I think that you would agree with me that you don't want to write out 14 23 times, and you don't want to write out 14 6 times. But if you recall from your prior videos, you can take these 2 numbers and add them together, and you can turn this into 14 to the 29th. So you simply add your exponents. Let's try another one. Problem number 2. So let's suppose you have negative 3 to the 9th power times negative 3 to the 5th power. See how there's a parentheses around the negative 3? This negative 3 right here is the base. So our answer is going to still have negative 3 as our base, and we're going to add our exponents. So you have 9 plus 5, so you'll end up with negative 3 to the 14th power. Now let's look at a third one. Let's suppose that we have x to the 27th over x to the 5th. Here we are with dividing. Now think to yourself for a minute, up with multiplying, you add the exponents. And with dividing, think about what the rules told you to do in those videos. I'm presuming you've thought for a minute. You would subtract your exponents. You're going to say 27 minus 5, and you keep your same base. So you'd have x to the 22nd. Let's have a fourth example. So let's suppose that you have negative 5 to the 16th power, my favorite number, and negative 5 to the 7th power. So your base in this case is this negative 5. It has the parentheses around it. So you would say my base is going to be negative 5. And now my rules with division, instead of adding exponents, what do? That's right, we subtract them. So if we have the same base, we subtract. So 16 minus 7 would give you 9. So you'd have negative 5 to the 9th power. After this video, I'm going to ask you to try some problems on your own as a quick check.